Case study, Ethical AI Development in Cybersecurity, a case study of integrating theoretical approaches at Innovate Tech. Artificial intelligence systems can sometimes reflect the ethical values of their designers. In the tech hub of Innovate Tech, a leading cybersecurity company, the development team faced a pivotal challenge, ensuring their new AI-driven security platform adhered to ethical principles while effectively protecting sensitive data. This case study examines their journey through the lens of several theoretical approaches to ethical AI, each offering unique insights into their dilemma. The project was spearheaded by Maria, a seasoned AI developer known for her meticulousness and ethical rigor. Alongside her were John, a data scientist with a keen eye for detail, and Sarah, an expert in cybersecurity protocols. Together, they aimed to create an AI system that not only fortified digital defenses, but also upheld the highest ethical standards. One of the initial theoretical considerations was consequentialism, which assesses the morality of actions based on their outcomes. Maria proposed that their AI system should prioritize actions that maximize positive outcomes, such as preventing data breaches and enhancing user privacy. John raised a critical question: how can we ensure the AI system consistently achieves the best outcomes for all users? They decided to develop complex algorithms capable of analyzing potential outcomes and continuously optimizing for the greatest good, aligning with the utilitarian principle. This approach necessitated a robust risk-benefit analysis, weighing the potential positive impacts against any adverse effects. To balance this, the team also incorporated deontological ethics, focusing on adherence to moral duties and principles rather than just outcomes. Sarah emphasized the importance of transparency and user rights, prompting another question: what ethical rules should our AI system follow to ensure it respects user autonomy and operates transparently? They established strict guidelines for data usage, ensuring that the AI system would not only protect user data, but also inform users about how their data was being managed. This approach underscored the necessity of compliance with established norms and regulations, fostering accountability within the development process. As the development progressed, virtue ethics became another focal point, emphasizing the moral character of the AI developers. Maria, John, and Sarah reflected on their own virtues, such as honesty, integrity, and responsibility, asking themselves, how can our personal virtues influence the ethical behavior of our AI system? They committed to embodying these virtues in their work, striving to create a system that was not only effective, but also trustworthy and reliable. This introspective approach highlighted the role of personal integrity in ethical decision-making, reinforcing the importance of a virtuous development team. The theory of care ethics added another dimension, focusing on the relationships and care involved in ethical decision-making. Sarah posed a pertinent question: how can we design our AI system to prioritize the well-being of all stakeholders, including users, developers, and the broader community? They adopted a user-centric design philosophy, ensuring that the AI system would prioritize user safety and security, considering the potential impacts on individuals and communities. This empathetic approach stressed the need for compassion and consideration of human well-being in AI development. Moreover, the concept of distributive justice required the team to evaluate the fairness of their AI system in terms of the distribution of benefits and burdens. John raised another thought-provoking question: how can we ensure our AI system provides equitable protection to all users, regardless of their background or status? They implemented measures to eliminate biases and ensure that the AI system protected all users equally, regardless of socioeconomic status or geographical location. This approach emphasized the need for social equity and the fair distribution of AI's advantages and disadvantages. The team also looked at real-world examples to inform their ethical considerations. They examined the case of the Compass algorithm, which had exhibited racial bias in predicting criminal recidivism, leading them to ask, what steps can we take to prevent bias in our AI system? They conducted rigorous ethical assessments and audits, continuously monitoring the system to identify and address any biases. This case underscored the importance of ongoing evaluation and the need for mechanisms to correct any ethical lapses promptly. In addressing these questions, the team ensured their AI system adhered to ethical principles while effectively safeguarding user data. Firstly, they conducted comprehensive ethical assessments during the design phase, evaluating potential impacts on different stakeholders and addressing biases. This proactive approach helped them identify and mitigate ethical risks early in the development process. Secondly, they prioritized transparency and accountability by providing clear documentation and explanations of how the AI system worked. They established protocols for addressing ethical concerns, ensuring that users could understand and trust the system. This transparency fostered a sense of accountability and trustworthiness among users. Thirdly, they implemented ongoing monitoring and evaluation to ensure the AI system operated ethically. Regular audits, user feedback, and collaboration with external experts helped them identify and address any unintended consequences promptly. This continuous assessment ensured that the system remained aligned with ethical principles over time. Finally, they fostered a culture of ethical awareness within Innovate Tech by providing training and education on ethical principles and the importance of ethical AI. Encouraging open discussions about ethical issues and promoting a commitment to ethical behavior helped instill a sense of responsibility and integrity within the team. In conclusion, the development of an ethical AI system at Innovate Tech highlights the importance of integrating various theoretical approaches to ensure alignment with human values and ethical principles. Through the lenses of consequentialism, deontology, virtue ethics, care ethics, and distributive justice, the team successfully created a system that was fair, transparent, and beneficial to society. By addressing critical questions and implementing practical solutions, they demonstrated how ethical AI development can enhance cybersecurity while upholding ethical standards.